Hello, my name is Novel Hilmi Wijaya and you can call me as a Novel. I'm 20 years old. I learned how to become engineer at Mechanical Engineering Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University. Today I want to tell you one of the best thing about life that we never have to stop learning. There are always new skill to learn technique for us to adapt it. When you look at the most successful people in the world, they understand this. Warren Buffett spent most his time to reading, and the best entrepreneur in the world don't act like they know everything. They all understand to the fact that they have to continuously learn to be successfully. For us to live life to the fullest, we must continually looking for ways to improve. Even in our own companies, we should strive to help our organization in area that are outside of our comfort zone. Companies from all over the world recognize this billion-dollar example like Zappos and Facebook invest heavily into their own employees. Realizing to the power of teaching, they promote from within and you support their staff to learn the skill to bring back to the company. If you aren't likely looking to learn new things, here's the fourth reason why you might want to rethink your strategy. Self-growth is a key for successfully life and you have a successful career. The first is you will become happier. Learning is a tough and can be frustrating. This is especially true when you talk about taking a new sports like CrossFit or pushing our brain to limit trying to code. But although the task is really hard, nothing is greater than reaching your accomplishment. For highly challenging goals like learning to write software is an amazing feeling when your code is bug free. We play sport, beating our personal record give hike like none other. Several studies have shown that the more ambitious goals that we set, the happier we are. And when we decide to our own goal, our happiness is not reliant on the others. We pick how many hours we practice and we take ownership over what achieve. Personal development is a way to graduate us centrally from within. And number two, you will become irreversible to your team. The person who can be adapted the most wins. This is a piece of advice I learned reading about fighter pilots in the Air Force. It's not about strength of the plane, but this instead to ability reach to different situation that makes a fighter a jet. The best feeling pilot can adjust to more circumstances that norm, making them much deadlier. This same idea can be applied to our value, our organization. If you can only sell your product and you are limited and by contribution, if you can sell, build, and run operation, now you become replaceable. Number three, you stay humble. Everything interaction you have is a chance to learn something. One of the recent ways I have learned this also watching TED Talks. What I love about these short speeches is that you can learn so much about subject you have no interest in, but keeping in your mind, you discover pattern in how people present their thoughts. Then you can learn from it. Just show your that no matter whom you meet, there's always something valuable to learn from encounter. And number four, last but not least, you'll become a greatest coach. The only one way to misery is teaching. One of the best things in the world teaching other to what you learn. Not only affect the person you're teaching, but also they in turn will teach other. As a leader, of your organization, you need to making learning part of your culture. The way start this by teaching other what you learn over time. You want to become such a great teacher, what that your company can run itself without you there. When you have achieved that, you have truly accomplished the stage of mystery. That's it, for me. My name is Noval. I'm sorry for the time of video on this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much.